Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on rapid TV. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on rapid TV. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.